If you are new to the world of content management, you may be wondering what exactly is Joomla. In this video, we'll talk about Joomla's functionality and capabilities. Joomla is a database-driven CMS. Content is stored in the database instead of HTML files. If you're familiar with tools like Dreamweaver, you typically create HTML files on your computer and then upload them to your server. Joomla does not work this way. In Joomla, you log into your website, create the content, and then it gets stored in the database. Joomla does more than display flat pages of content. You can add forms, shopping carts, message boards, and virtually anything else that can be programmed. These features are distributed as zip files you simply upload to your website. You can find many of them in the extensions directory on joomla.org. You don't need to know any programming whatsoever to use Joomla. Everything's provided through a user-friendly interface. Joomla is free software that's produced by a community of volunteers. You can connect with this community through the Joomla forum. This is the front page of a Joomla website. On it, we have several articles, and there's navigation to the left. We can click on this navigation and go to other articles that we've entered into the database. You can have multi-level navigation, and you can go to more than just content. Here, we have a contact form. This contact form and other functionality can be placed on your Joomla website without any programming. Let's go to the back end of this site to see how Joomla sites are managed. This is the administrator back-end interface of Joomla. You log into it, and it allows you to manage everything that's on the front end of the website. From here, you can add content, organize it, add images, add navigation, and configure the look and feel of your website. Joomla is a user-friendly content management system. It allows you to add more than content to your website without having to know programming. Hello, my name is Joseph LeBlanc. I'm a programmer and a member of the Joomla community. I am teaching you Joomla because it is a great way to build a website without touching code. Joomla, at its base, is a content management system that allows you to create and organize content, then extend your website with pre-built functions. Throughout this course, we will be building a website for a small business. We will be covering how to author content, how to organize it, how to create navigation, how to restyle the site with a pre-built template, and how to install more functionality. The dynamic nature of open source applications such as Joomla makes it challenging to keep up with bug fixes and minor release updates. To solve this, we are focusing on the 1.5.3 release of Joomla. We will continue to monitor the dates for the next major release of Joomla, and we will update our training materials as necessary. Let's get started. Most individual webmasters need a simple solution for putting a site together, organizing content, and getting on the web. A content management system, or CMS, is software that assists in the organization and presentation of content on a website. Most CMSs are easy to use and do not require advanced computer skills, although programmers can usually extend them. Most CMS programs consist of two elements, a content management application and a content delivery application. The CMA allows an administrator to create and organize content for the website, while the CDA presents this content on the viewable website. The primary goals of a content management system are to identify users, their roles, and access levels on the site, organize content into different sections and categories for ease of reuse, create and define simple workflows for content creation and deployment, control versions of content, deploy design templates to give a more interesting look and feel to a published site, and to provide advanced tools for adjusting site functionality. There are literally dozens, even hundreds of content management systems available, from complete commercial out-of-the-box systems like PowerFront CMS to open-source systems like Joomla, Mambo, Plone, and Drupal. On the back end of the CMS are the organizational aspects of the system. Often using templates, categories, and web applications, the management application provides tools to create new content, take delivery of content through FTP or other means, organize the content into sections and categories, and connect content through links, either within viewable web menus or internal alias links. On the front end of the CMS is the viewable display of the content. Utilizing design and display templates, the delivery application presents the content to the outside world, including setting the look and feel of the site, where content is displayed on the page. Before investing in a CMS, Make sure you assess your needs and skill level. How big of a site do you need? Does your system need to be scalable? Do you need something to work right out of the box, or are you willing to work on the system for a while to set it up? What types of information will you be presenting on your site? Will there be only one administrator for the site, or will they be spread around the world? Do you need varying levels of access for your site, or will it be open to all users? Are you willing to spend money on the system, or would a free, open source solution be better for you? Once you have worked through these and similar questions, look at a number of CMS options that fit your criteria and review their forums and message boards. You can also use websites like cmsmatrix.org to compare CMSs. You will be able to find one, like Joomla, that works for you.